Almost every single car owner has a can of WD-40 sitting in their garage. But here is the shocker. 90% of them are not using it to its full potential. They are barely scratching the surface. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the secrets mechanics actively gatekeep. Secrets that can save you a staggering $3,000 in car repairs. We're revealing 18 genius WD-40 tricks that save you serious money. Do not skip this video, because trick number 3 will literally save you $3,000 on a repair bill. Let's begin with trick number 18.
Is your gas cap sticky, dirty, and fighting you every time you refuel? Here is the fix. Spray WD-40 generously around the threads, the underside, and the sealing ring. Let it sit for 1 minute to cut through the buildup. The formula dissolved hardened grime lubricates the threads and restores a clean seal that snaps tight every time. Do this every few months as part of your regular routine, and you'll likely never see a fuel-related check engine code again. Most drivers waste hundreds chasing that light, when the solution was sitting in their garage the whole time. Those cloudy white mineral spots on your side mirrors make your car look permanently dirty and distort your reflection. Water and soap won't touch them. Here is what actually works. Spray a light mist of WD-40 directly onto the mirror glass. Let it sit for 30 seconds, then buff it gently with a clean microfiber cloth in circular motions. Watch the deposits lift cleanly off, leaving glass that is clear, streak-free, and glare-resistant. It breaks down the mineral bonds without damaging the mirror coating and leaves a rain-repelling layer. Detailers use this secret, and now you can too. Clear mirrors mean better visibility. It's a safety hack. Dirt grinds into your leather or vinyl seats, making them look dull, cracked, and tired. Don't reach for expensive cleaners that strip the finish. Here is what the pros actually use. First, spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a clean microfiber cloth, never directly onto the seat, and wipe along the material's natural grain. The formula lifts embedded grime, dissolves oils, and softens the material without soaking through. It conditions as it cleans, helping the material flex instead of crack. Cracked leather is impossible to restore, so maintaining it now saves you a fortune in reupholstery down the road. This one sounds crazy, but it works. Brake dust, road tar, and oxidation leave your tire sidewalls flat, brownish, and neglected. Here is the move. Spray WD-40 directly onto the tire sidewall and work it in with an old cloth or detailing brush. The formula cuts through oxidation and tar in seconds, revealing the deep, rich black rubber underneath. Wipe off the excess, and the difference is instant. Your tires will look darker, cleaner, and freshly detailed, creating a protective barrier against future browning. Clean, black tires change the entire presence of your car, making it look $1,000 sharper. Visibility problems are dangerous. Does your windshield have a smeared, oily haze that makes every oncoming headlight blinding? Water alone will never fully remove that film of exhaust, silicone, and residue. Here is the fix. Spray a light coat of WD-40 onto the windshield and spread it evenly with a microfiber cloth. Give it 30 seconds. Then wipe it completely off with a clean, dry cloth. What comes off will surprise you. Brown, filmy residue that's been building up for months. Mechanics and detailers know this trick for perfect, streak-free, hydrophobic glass. This trick will restore something you probably never thought to clean. Is your exhaust soot black and killing the look of your car's back end? Hardened carbon bakes onto the metal at extreme heat, and soap won't touch it. Reach for your WD-40. Spray it generously inside and around the tip and let it soak into that carbon layer for a minute or two. Then work it with a cloth or soft detailing brush. The buildup releases almost immediately. Buff it dry, and the tip beneath will shine like it just came off the showroom floor. Gleaming tips are that small detail that makes people look twice at your car.
This hack will shock you. Your rubber floor mats look cracked, faded, and permanently dirty even after a wash. Mud, salt, and grime are ground so deep that water barely makes a dent. After hosing them down, spray a light coat of WD-40 over the surface and spread it evenly with a cloth. The formula seeps into the rubber, restoring flexibility and pushing out the grime water can't reach. Wipe off the excess. When you lay them back in, they will look solid black again, just like they did when the car was new. Fresh mats quietly tell everyone how much you care about your car. This next secret is hidden by repair shops. Your taillights have gone milky and yellowed, making your car look old and reducing your visibility at night. Here is the quick fix. Spray WD-40 directly onto the taillight lens and wipe in smooth circular motions with a clean microfiber cloth. Almost immediately, the fog lifts and the lens looks clearer, brighter, and sharper. The formula fills microscopic scratches and restores light transmission. Keep them clear to stay safe and avoid being pulled over. Mechanics quietly use this trick before returning cars, and customers think they got new lights. Before we proceed with the WD-40 hacks that will really blow your mind, kindly hit that like button and subscribe. Your support helps us keep bringing you these valuable car secrets. Now, let's talk about something that sounds too simple to be possible. Your dashboard and door panels have a thick gray film that wipe downs never seem to clear. Here is the clean solution. Spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a microfiber cloth, never directly at the surface, and wipe along your dashboard, door panels, and center console. The formula traps and lifts dust instead of spreading it, and leaves behind a conditioning layer that repels future buildup. Focus on the air vents. A clean interior doesn't just look better, it makes the air you're breathing noticeably fresher on every drive. Detailers use this as a finishing step every single time. This trick you 100% did not know about. Your car's paint is constantly under attack. Bird droppings, tree sap, road tar, and bug guts. Left to bake in the sun, they will etch your clear coat. Here is the move. After a wash and dry, spray a light mist of WD-40 onto one panel at a time and buff it evenly with a clean microfiber cloth. The surface will take on a deep, wet-looking shine, and the protective film left behind makes contaminants slide right off on contact. This saves your clear coat. A basic respray on a single panel can run over $1,000. This $6 can is all that stands between your paint and that bill. This next one is shocking. Is your seatbelt sticking, snapping back unevenly, or fighting you? A seatbelt that doesn't retract properly is a safety hazard. Here is the fix. Pull the seatbelt out to full extension and spray a light, even mist of WD-40 along the full length of the webbing. Work it gently into the fabric with a clean cloth. Then allow it to retract slowly several times. The formula loosens grime, lubricates the internal spring mechanism, and restores that smooth, consistent pull and retract. Mechanics quietly check this hidden maintenance step. A replacement can run $200 to $500. So this $2 fix is one of the smartest moves you'll make all year. Grinding resistance? A key that won't go in? Stiffness? Most people assume the ignition cylinder is failing and brace for an expensive repair. 9 times out of 10, it's just dust and dried out lubricant. Here is what to do before you call a locksmith. With the key out, spray a short, controlled burst of WD-40 directly into the ignition keyhole. Insert your key and turn it slowly back and forth to work the formula through. What felt like a seized cylinder will turn smoothly with every pass. Cylinder replacements run $150 to $400. This $6 can fixes it in 60 seconds. It's the exact same first step any locksmith takes.
That screaming serpentine belt at startup makes everyone on the block turn to look. It happens when dust, humidity, and surface glazing cause the belt to slip over the pulleys. Before you pay to replace it, grab your WD-40. With the engine off, give the belt's inner surface and each pulley a light controlled mist. Start the car and the squeal will drop away almost immediately. WD-40 dissolves the glazing and lets the belt find traction again. This is the fastest way to find out if you need a new belt or just a clean one, saving you an unnecessary shop visit of $100 to $250. Mechanics know this trick. They just don't always tell you.
Your window grinds, squeaks, or hesitates every time you roll it down. Rubber-lined channels collect dust, grime, and moisture until the glass is practically dragging through mud. Here is the fix. Lower your window halfway and spray WD-40 directly into the exposed track on both sides. Run the window up and down several times to work the formula through. What was grinding and hesitating will now glide with barely any sound at all. Frozen window tracks can crack your glass if forced in winter. A regulator replacement costs $150 to $300, and this is the single easiest way to ensure you never need one.
Stuck power side mirror? The problem usually isn't the motor. It's the pivot joints gummed up with grime and corroded from moisture. Here is the move. Spray WD-40 carefully into the joint and around the adjustment housing, and give it a minute to penetrate. Then try your adjustment controls again. You'll often feel the mirror loosen immediately, tracking smoothly. A dealer visit to diagnose a motor that isn't actually broken will cost you hundreds. Power mirror motor replacements can cost $100 to $250. This saves you that bill. This is the big one that will definitely shock you. You release your parking brake and the car won't move. The cable has frozen or corroded inside its housing, holding your rear brakes in a grip. Before you call a tow truck, locate the parking brake cable running underneath the vehicle. Spray WD-40 generously along the full cable length and directly into any exposed housing openings. Let it soak. Then cycle the parking brake on and off while gently rocking the car. The lubricant breaks the corrosion bond, restores movement, and releases that locked tension. A replacement costs $100 to $300. Lubricating it with a $6 can could have prevented this entire situation.
Before you pay for a full diagnostic scan for a rough-running engine, check your mass airflow sensor. When it gets coated with oil and dust, it sends wrong data to your engine's computer, causing poor performance, wasted fuel, and a check engine light. Here is the fix. Remove the MAV sensor. Spray WD-40 lightly across the delicate sensor wires. Let it sit for 60 seconds, then gently wipe with a clean, dry cloth. The formula dissolves the oily film without damaging the delicate sensor. A new MAV sensor can cost anywhere from $80 to over $300. This saves you that cost. And finally, the #1 WD-40 trick that will make your car look 10 times cleaner. Your front grille is the face of your car, and right now, it probably looks like a bug graveyard. Baked-on residue turns what was once a sharp finish into a dull, pitted mess. Here is how to bring it back. Spray WD-40 generously across the grille surface. Work it into the slats where residue is baked in. Let it sit for a minute, then work through it with a detailing brush. Wipe it down with a microfiber cloth and stand back. Grime will lift cleanly, the finish will sharpen, and a protective layer is left behind to repel future contaminants. The front grille is the first thing anyone sees. Body shops use this as a pre-sale touch-up. One pass and your front end looks aggressive, clean, and ready to turn heads.
If you learned something new today, hit that like button. Comment down below which one of these WD-40 hacks surprised you the most. Want to know more car secrets that can save you hundreds in repair bills? Click the next video about genius car tips on your screen right now. Your bank account will thank you. See you there.